We are in the process of learning the website development using the Elementor plugin. So in this video, we will learn few more elements to add it to our website. So these elements may be inserting an image, slider, video, and so many other things. So let us begin. How to insert image gallery? Now let us create our work section. In this section, you can show your project and works with images and text or simply the images. There are different ways. Here your creativity will work more. Let me show you different ways to create such type of sections. First, inserting only images. Insert new section and title. Follow me. Now insert image gallery element. Add image from media gallery. Set image size to 300. From style, change space to custom and adjust it. Let us open the images. Yes, it's working. Secondly, using the image box. There is another way to show it, and you can give the brief description of your projects as well. Duplicate the section and delete the image gallery element. Insert inner section and insert image box element. Here you can enter the image, title and heading. Make some cosmetic changes in the picture and duplicate the column and modify columns accordingly. Using carousel. There are different ways to show your work, that is through image carousel. Drag and drop image carousel element. Add images from gallery. Let them fully loaded. Let us see few settings. Image size. Custom. Let it be 300 by 300 or 250 by 250 pixels. Slides to show. How many slides you want to show in the carousel? Say 4. How many slides you want to scroll? Let it be default. Image stretch? Yes. Additional options. Let animation speed to 5000. Few settings from style. From image, put some space from custom space. If you want to make it full width, from section, change the content width to the full width and adjust the height if you want. That's all, and finally update it. How to insert video element? You can add video to your page easily. Drag the video element, copy the link from YouTube and paste it here. Your video is here. If you want to make it full width video, go to section setting and make the content width to full. How to insert contact form? Now let us add contact us form from here. Create a new section and change the background. Insert text heading and go to font settings. From element section, insert inner section. Now from element section, drag and drop shortcode here. In contact us section, we have to use the shortcode. Go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to contact form and copy this shortcode. In Elementor editor, paste this code. Your contact us form is ready. Resize the section into 60-40 ratio. You may try other contact us plugins too to make it more attractive. To add the address attributes, insert icon list and customize the text and icon. There are few settings in the style. Increase the space between icons. Make the divider on to put the line between icons. Change the icon color and size. Change the color of the text. Rest of the settings are same, just play around them. Linking in the Elementor. Linking is an important feature of Elementor. You may link various elements of your website to other pages of your website or pages outside your website, or link to another section of the same page. How to insert external links. To link the element to other pages, click on any element. The link option is available under Content section. Paste the URL of another page here, and from Settings, check Open in New Window. Yes, you are able to open the link in New Window. How to link the section on same page. Suppose I click this button. It's not taking me anywhere. But I want, when I click it, it should take me to this section. Like this. How to link it? Let us see. Click on Edit of the source element. Enter your customized link separated by hyphen. Move to the section where you want to give the link and click Edit section. Go to Advanced, type and paste the link here without hash. Let us see whether it is working or not. Click the button. Wow, it's working now. I also want, when I click menu item, it should take me to the respective section like this you can see here. For this purpose, follow me. First, give a customized link to the section that you want to keep in menu. I want this section on menu. Go to Setting, Advanced, under CSS class, type custom link separated by hyphen and copy it. Exit to WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Menu. Create new menu, give any name and press Create Menu. Now let us create menu items. Go to Custom Links. In URL type hash. It is must to create the custom link. Without hash it will not be possible. Paste the section link here that you created on this page. Make sure there should not be any space before and after while copying or paste. Give the link text. This is the text that will appear in menu section. You may give any text here. Click Add to Menu. You can see item is added to the menu. Let us create few more custom links by following the same process. With this, we have created the menu. Let us add few more items to the menu and rearrange them. Don't forget to update the Elementor. Now select the display location and save the menu. Now let us see whether these links are working or not. Wow, they are perfectly working. There are so many other elements which you can add to the website. It's not possible to explain all the elements here. These are self-explanatory, just explore them. Now let me show you how to add Google Map by showing the exact location of your business. From Element section, insert Google Map. search for your location, set the zoom level, increase or decrease the height of map. Notice there is a blank space on both sides of the map. How to remove it? Go to section settings, make content width to the full width and update it. It's done. Now I hope you have the fair idea about how to use various elements in the Elementor plugin. Now try to practice on these to understand the functionality of these plugins in more detail. So I assure you, you can learn them easily. So this was the free version of Elementor. Once you will become expert in Elementor, you can opt for the Pro version, which is having some additional features. However, there are few add-ons available in the market which you can use along with the Elementor. So what are those add-ons? I will discuss these in the next video.